Welcome everyone to Flawless Fine's YouTube channel. In this video we will be introducing you all to the basic tools, makeup applicators, and types of products you'll need to have in your home, makeup bag or on the go, just in case you may need to touch up later. Before we begin, please click that subscribe button so that you can stay in the loop of all future uploads. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as a way to let us know that you enjoyed the content presented in this video. This helps us get a better understanding of what you all would like to see going forward. Now let's get started. Here are the beauty essentials that every beginner makeup consumer needs in their makeup bag and why. First, you'll need to have already washed and moisturized your face. This is a non-negotiable. Next, you'll need a primer, but what exactly is a primer? Good question. I'm glad you asked. Primer is a smooth, soft, semi-mushy product that you can squeeze out of a bottle or tube, typically, and place onto your hands. Once you've squeezed it out, you will apply it onto your face and rub it in. Primer is used as a preliminary base between your skin and the other future products that you'll apply to your face later on. Doing this improves the longevity of the makeup throughout the day and ensures that it won't seep into the pores or crevices of the skin, producing clogged pores, which consequently gives the makeup a smoother appearance and rids the face of fine lines and bumps that would otherwise be visible without it. There are several different types of primers to choose from, whether it be a mattifying primer for oily skin, a color-correcting primer to offset certain colors in people's undertones, a blurring primer to remove wrinkles and creases, a hydrating primer for dry skin, a mascara primer helps to nourish the lashes and provide extra thickness, volume and length. An eyeshadow primer prevents the oils on the lids from smudging or ruining the eyeshadow or eyeliner throughout the day or evening. A lip primer can create a smooth finish for matte lipsticks and liquid lipsticks to prevent them from smudging. Next on our list we have foundation. Foundation acts as an aid to even one's skin tone, hide perceived imperfections, and make the skin more uniform in appearance. There are several different types of foundations, but the most popular types tend to be stick, powder, and liquid. Stick foundation is a creamy, buildable, and blendable substance that can be applied to the face for maximum coverage. Powder foundation comes in two different forms, pressed and loose powder. These powders are composed of several minerals, various colors, and pigments. Powder foundation can provide full coverage and is perfect for those who have oily skin. Liquid foundations are either water-based or silicone-based. These can also be utilized for medium to full coverage. They are buildable as well. Most of us are familiar with this next product, but it's still important to mention, right? Eyeliner. Eyeliner is a cosmetic product that used to enhance the appearance of the eyes by defining and accentuating the lash line. It is applied along the upper and or lower lash lines to create various visual effects and can be used to achieve different eye makeup looks. Generally, the most popular types of eyeliner are gel cream, liquid, pen eyeliner, and pencil eyeliner. Gel eyeliner has a blendable texture and can create smudged looks, if that's what you're going for of course, but it can also provide defined looks as well depending on your application process. Liquid eyeliner is generally manufactured as a felt tip or pen that produces liquid upon application. Due to their slender tips, they tend to employ a more precise finish for varying looks such as the cat eye for one. Pencil eyeliners have a wax-like consistency or feel and are commonly used among beginners due to their ease of application. Coming up next on our list is mascara. Mascara is a cosmetic tool that you brush your eyelashes with to thicken, accentuate, lengthen, and or darken their appearance. This one is world-renowned. Who hasn't heard of this one? Drum roll please. Lipstick. Lipstick is a cosmetic creamy stick or sticky gloss-like substance that is used to change or enhance the color of the lips to make them more prominent in appearance. Pucker up. Lip gloss, tinted or clear, is a sticky or watery cosmetic substance that is used to make the lips appear more moisturized and or shiny. Blush is a cosmetic powder or cream that's applied to the cheekbones of the face to make them more conspicuous or rosy in color, depending on the user's tint preference. Concealer is a cosmetic substance used to hide blemishes on the face alongside with the foundation for extra coverage. Contour is a cosmetic powder, cream, or liquid used to accentuate or emphasize the cheekbones, forehead, temples, nose, and or jawline. Highlighter is a cosmetic for making certain facial features, such as the cheekbones, appear lighter, shinier, or brighter. Next up, we have loose setting powder. Loose setting powder is a powder substance used to set your makeup in place and prevent it from creasing. Many people have heard about this next one, but they're just not too sure why it's used or how it comes into play, so let's break it down. Setting spray. Setting spray is a spray typically bought in a bottle that you can spritz onto your face to hold the makeup in place throughout the day and prevent the entire makeup look from either fading or smudging due to undesired perspiration. For instance, have you ever applied your makeup and then after a run up the steps, long drawn-out day, or just accidentally laying your head on the palm of your hand out of boredom, you find that your makeup is now on the other side of your face or partially rubbed off? Yup, so have we. These are the moments setting spray saves you from. What a relief. Next up, we have the eyebrow pencil. The eyebrow pencil is a pigmented pencil used to make sparse eyebrows more defined and filled in. The eyebrow spoolie is a small bristled brush used to orient unruly eyebrow hairs into place. Eyelash glue is a face-friendly substance that is applied to the strips of false eyelashes as a form of adhesive to the eyelid, so that they don't fall off after application. This temporary glue generally comes in the colors white and black. The white color dries clear and the black color remains black, to seamlessly blend into black eyeliner. Lip liner is a pencil that defines the shape of the lip and keeps the lipstick from running. It can also change the shape of the lip, making fuller lips appear smaller or smaller lips appear fuller. False eyelashes are strips of synthetic or natural fibers that one can apply to their top eyelid lash line to draw attention to the eyes, making them appear larger, wider, or simply more alluring. Eyeshadow is a colored pigment and/or powder that one can apply to the eyelids. Eyeshadows come in powder form, cream form, liquid form, and glitter form. Q-tips are great for cleaning up after making minor mistakes during the application process, around the eyes, lips, nose, mouth, etc. Makeup brushes, small, medium, and large, are used to apply eyeshadow, gel cream eyeliners, blend contours, and highlighters, etc. Makeup sponges and beauty blenders are used to apply foundations, powders, concealers, etc. Makeup wipes are just wipes that have been saturated in a face-friendly solution to simply wipe off your makeup. Nothing more, nothing less. And finally, compact regular-sized portable mirrors are used to monitor your face and makeup throughout the day or evening, just in case you're not near a restroom to excuse yourself. These are our most essential tools and products that you will need as a beginner on a regular basis, depending on the occasion. You may not use each item daily, but they're certainly nice to have at your disposal. We hope you found value in this video, and we thank you for tuning in. Catch you next time, beauties.